Ever wondered why your food products don't always turn out the same? Frustrated with inconsistencies that affect your brand's reputation? Keep watching to uncover why this happens and what you can do to consistency in every batch. Hello, I'm Felicia Liu, your dedicated food safety consultant. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in the food industry, product inconsistency. Understanding why your food products aren't consistent and how to stabilize your formulation and processes is crucial for maintaining high standards and satisfying your customers. The first factor that can lead to inconsistency is ingredient variability. Even minor changes in the quality or source of ingredients can have a significant impact on the final product. Ensure that your suppliers provide consistent quality and have proper controls in place. Next, let's talk about process variation. Variations in time, temperature, or even mixing speeds can cause inconsistencies. Standardizing your processes and meticulously documenting every step is essential to achieving uniformity. Equipment performance is another critical aspect. Regularly scheduled maintenance and calibration of equipment can prevent deviations that lead to inconsistent product quality. Ensure all machinery is functioning as it should. Human error can also contribute to variations. Ensuring your staff are well trained and adhere to standard operating procedures, SOPs, can minimize mistakes and promote consistency. Environmental factors such as humidity and temperature must not be overlooked. Implement controls and monitor these variables to mitigate their effect on your product. Finally, conduct regular quality control checks throughout the production process. This helps identify issues early and take corrective actions before they escalate. Struggling to maintain consistency in your food products? Need expert guidance to stabilize your formulation and processes? Book a strategy call with us or call us directly at 1-236-513-2488. We're here to help you achieve the reliable, high-quality products your customers deserve. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips on food safety and operational excellence. I'm Felicia Liu, committed to helping you ensure consistent and top-quality food products.